Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị nke taata. Asịrị m unu ka ọ dịrị anyị na mma. Asị m na ihe adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. Ndị ga-esi na-esonyela ihe a bụ Igbo Media, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ngalaba ozi a dị nnukwu mkpa. Anyị si ka anyị gosi unu gbasara maka ihe na-eme na Igbo community and obodo anụ anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ mbọsị izizi ị na-ezite chanel anyị bụ Igbo Media, gbaa mbọ rinne ka ị sọskraịbụ and share ya ka o rute ndị ọzọ aka. Maka na infọmeshọn anyị na-enye unu bụ ihe unu ga-ama gbasara maka ihe na-eme n'obodo a, anụkwunu mara ka unu si akwado na ya bụ ife bụ ya ka anyị si ka anyị drọpụ ọrụ bifo anyị gosi unu ihe anyị ji maka ya wee bịa. Ị ga-esi ya bụ ife anyị ji maka ya wee bịa, ị drọpụrụ anyị alụ gị ife iche gbasara maka ya bụ ife ndị niile ekwu n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
Ụmụntakịrị na-azụ kalama kịtịkịtịkara mgbe a anyị etibi ọgwụ. Then was the time mgbe ọ ga-abụ inweta ihe ọrụ naanị ka na-asị gị go and return them back. Go and return them back. You gotta go. That we are freedom fighters. You gotta go. Mgbe ahụ anyị etibi ọgwụ. Anyị wee na-ebe. Yes, anyị wee na-ebe. Na-eti mkpu si onye ga-abịa betiri anyị ọgwụ, because Nnamdi Kanu, our peer, our leader, believe that as in believe open it ofu. All my fans live here, I've seen all of you. I'll mention all of you now, I've seen all of you. So believe in those ofu. Then it will be ọgwụ. Many of them left. Many of them left then because na actually iti ọgwụ. Some of my old member, ndị sekwu ọnwụ like mụnwa, ịmakwa, ịghọtago. So men na-ebe na-eti na-ayọ Chukwu, say God, I beg, answer our prayer. Give us who will lead us to the promised land. Ketiri yo abụrụ ọgwụ ka o nwee isi, ka ọ dị ka nwaanyị na nwekọrọ n'ụlọ. Daddy Cruz, God bless you. You have to go. I read that, man. Now, if you're opportune to be in Nnamdi Kanu house, that 2017, I'm going to play some pattern dance. My brother, you will know where I'm coming from. Many souls was sent to judgment because of the year of Blogu. Many hefty youths was sent to judgment because the year of Blogu. And we are praying, both the dead ones, we are praying, God, please. You now only get my year of Blogu. Because not ego. There we have nothing. All the volunteers everywhere. They go. But today, we are here today. Thank God for Samaneba. Thank God for this man from Abakaleke. Try to show you that Ebony people, as in the blood is running through Samaneba vein. Because if you come here, Ebony people did something, even though that you are not there and you see what the person did. No, this is a bad person. Thank God for today, for our PM. I wait in your blog. I wait in your blog. Esumudia. esemode ya ịma na nna enwere egwu Mbaka gụrụ mgbe ahụ sị eme abaton ndị bụ ụzọ ekpere azụ ndị kpa azụ eburu ụzọ ịghọtago. Today what's happening? Etighị ọbụla ọgwụ sesumodi ya etighị ọbụla ọgwụ nke ikpeazụ a, and both those innocent souls that was sent to judgment, all of them are behind both physical and spiritual. Yes, Michael and Anewa. Yes, I love all my Ebony people. I think because I want to marry 5 wives, I will come and marry another wife from Ebony. At least goes on. And I'm an I love the courage, the energy full everywhere. That will show you that men are not joking, because they think you are wrong. Esumudia nke baza abụ nke abụzi ịgba amụ ndị ọja ha agba ndị ọja. No, gbaa m ka m gbaa gị mana eziokwu. And that's the reason why Biafra army are defeating them 24 hours. And that's the reason why anytime, any day you wake up and you remember Samanepa, always 24 hours, put him in your prayer. Because without him, my brother, I don't know what is going to happen today. Because when I remember past, there's a video that I watch. There's a video that I watched long time ago. I told you that everything is not about online. As a video that I watched long time ago, my brother, from the beginning to the end, I was crying. Yeah, thank God. And God must answer our prayer and our desire. Akubeze Chigeze, God bless you. Always Chebo, God bless you. Afunwa Elotanda, I see you, God bless you. Don Chites, God bless you. Lebo Quindo, God bless you. Danny Cruz, God bless you. Once again, stand in front, never your fear for anything. Yes, Otago. That's to show that we are moving. Keep our Zua. But thank God for today. Thank God for my life. Thank God that I'm a Biafra. I'm a true Biafra. No going back. That's good. So don't be scared of anything. Don't be scared of any human being. You will be only afraid of who have the power to kill the flesh and kill the spirit. Don't be afraid that for the person that only have the power to kill, to buy this flesh. And to buy this flesh, that's not easy. In keep as well. Because they take you home. The reason why Benjamin Chigoz, God bless you from Morocco, NDBC Udo, God bless you. As a reference, God bless you. As a Ihuku Christopher, God bless you. Sami Desan, God bless you. Watching from Kuwait. Oh my God. Please, this is my friend from Kuwait. Yesterday, I noticed that one Kuwait dinner in Naira is 5,000 something Naira. One Kuwait dinner. Please, I need that Kuwait too. I need them. Someone the Judas. Onyala Michael Udochukwu. Now so you gonna cry. You gonna cry. Cry. You go explain no tire. I have told all my fans, all my viewers, if you know that you don't like Samonepa, unfollow me. unfollowed me because I will not take it light with you. On my page. And the most annoying thing of them is that those people will not use their real picture, because if you use your real picture and insult Simon Ekpa on my page, my brother, me will so to again I'm talking 1 week again one. Okay, 5-3. Sammy the Sam. Please, I need them. Oh, I need them. At least, he said that 1,000 kwedi na. He wanna abu motogu. Please, I need them. I need them. 1,000 1 kwedi is 5,003 in Nigerian currency. So I need 1,000. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Winner, God bless you. So the reason why and what makes me to be saying that in Ekpe is that when you see what's happening on ground now, they first mentioned that men are only 80 in number, men are only 100 in number. How can 100 men or 50 men defeated a troop? But today, what is happening? Today, what's happening? The gods of the land is with us. You have to go to the custody. Many innocent souls they arrested. Kanu Hanonu. They are even trying a way and to offload. You have to go. But all they are so difficult now. And you know that when they step in, the confusion all over. Because we have a place of no return. And once you enter that line of no return, you will be confused. And you will be confused to tell yourself. Among you people self, you will be confused. You want to go? Sorry, Adro. Anywhere you day, my brother, celebrate. Jubilate. When you sleep, and you remember that very soon, BIAFRA will come, my brother. Enjoy. That's why you need to avoid anything that will take your life. You need to avoid anything that will make you not to see this country called Biafra. Because Biafra will stop. Even those who is fighting and making themselves as a blockage, they are regretting it now. Because the reason why they are regretting now that we have passed the Rubicon Bridge. We have passed the Rubicon Bridge. And now, as we are sleeping now, without no fear, they are sleeping with fear. Because their fear is that when Biafra come, what will be their end? What will be their position? What will be their fate? You want to go? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. All my fans, I'm begging you. Please. I'm begging you. I have 14,000 followers. And I have 10,900 active followers. Please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link now on our comment section. Please do me a favor. Support me. You gotta go. support of funny big imakwa. My name is open, I will not be them. So yes, Nwoko Remi Oyoyo. God bless you. Yes. Some of them, some of them now, the most annoying thing now is that some of our Igbo brothers and sisters who is fighting Samanipa don't know Samanipa very, very well. If you say, myself, I know something past them. They are claiming that they do this, they do that. Let me Metusala, because now I'm getting national hygiene of Doibo. Akpa ha jolly oyi na. Akpa ha jugi oyi na. Aha jugi oyi. When you went to fight grace, my brother, you end up receiving disgrace because you can never stop Samanipa. Samanipa have been on before he joined this movement. Unlike only had a full 1 million. You were 5 million here. What do you expect from him? Go obidi malo. God bless you. Aja Anayo. Remember blessed. Welcome, my brother. What do you expect? Nothing. But somebody have been this as one go boso erimbe. And the most annoying thing that those who is calling his name 24 hours have not seen him one-on-one. Have not met him one-on-one. They don't even know who is Samanipa. If Samanipa return to Nigeria today or return to Biafra today, many of us who don't know him, you will see him and you will pass him on the road. Unless you have the good agenda, then you will see the inner eye. You will see the inner eye and see him. You want to go? As far as say, as in your mind is evil, you will not see him. That's the reason why I'm telling people that in keep Azwa etigi ogu. That's the reason why I told you, those of you who is telling me that I should start covering my face. Or I will not use myself to implicate myself. If I'm leaving my house and you have good intention, then the land of Biafra will open your eye and you will see me. But since that no evil intention that you, my brother, as I will pass you 1 kilometer and you see my back, hey, see for the big, I don't pass. Now so, our former Emmanuel Nweke, all the way from Denmark. God bless you. Jennifer, God bless you. Lekisi Sophia. Remember bless, Bobby, God bless you. Best line business investment. Show us the video, photo, and stop displaying joke ignorance in the platform. Yeah, for sure, man, people. I don't blame you. Best line business investment. I don't blame you because that you are living in your own comfortable home and you have the mind to tell me to show the video. I give you the location. Came down or come down to this side so that you will go and video and upload. There you go. Also, some of you, Bunde, I got that we have as Nayana go on Asemba that Anabe. I happen now, and if Biafra come, we will give all of you 24 hours because that one weapon and then I see I go. One weapon then need 1 month to verify. We are going to give people 24 hours And when we go, we will lock the gate so that people will stay in Nigeria. So that the Biafra Bakwanai buy Imanebu Mibu, or we get Bama of Ma. Bama and the Fansum, yes. Obi-Wana Kinso, God bless you. Anthony Marcia, God bless you, I love you. What I go? Please, where is my fans that living in where is my fan that living in Kuwait? Please, I need that Kuwait money. I go. I want to Kuwait. Nkude Mamba. Engineer Duru, why are you laughing? Azomo Uda Weni. Uda Weni. Azumolo Uda Weni. God bless you. Engineer Duru, tell me this why you're laughing. Jennifer, my biggie, I love you so much. Jennifer, I love you so much too. I go. Remember blessed for sharing my video. Don't mind him. Don't mind that man. Don't mind that business, best line business investment. I don't have the time. He is not the reason why I'm here. I know my fans, and my fans know me. Hey, what I go? So don't mind him. He should do me a favor. After all, some of my fans also helped me and sent me a video that I analyze. That's me analyze. Tia crayfish, tia tomato, tia maggi, tia onions. Go week so. I go. What be and Casio? No. I will not put a lie. That's why I'm giving you 100% order that any day you see my post or my video, you find it fake, my brother, unfollow me. But you are here to get correct update. That is why I told you that. That's why I told you that. That's why I told you that you are here to get update what's happening on ground. I think I will stop here this morning. Don't forget that we are still watching our men. We are still watching our fans. My team are watching my fans. Who is going to win the 5K? And I believe before Monday, many of my fans will support the challenge. I will be happy to see you win this challenge. This challenge is every Monday. Our top fan weekly will be receiving 5K from Emakwa. At least Nigeria anemia now. 5K is nothing anymore, but it's something. If I told you how much data I subscribe every day, my brother, you will pity me. But you people are trying the most. It's not easy. You people are the reason why I'm standing here. You people are the reason why we are going far. Don't forget, please and please, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Audio Kempa. Can't you Hey! Oh, can't you go we get there as a subscribe? Bamanti na tego. Mo ntele na mma, ayi na mma. Mo na nna mo mbotu. Onye hụrụ nna m ahụla m. Mo na nna m mbotu. Imana mo na nna m na-eme ka ihe. Mo na nna m mbotu. Kelly, God bless you. Please, if I not mention your name, please don't be offended. I see everybody. Because Imana ndị social media. Emena ichina asina bigi. Na-enwe ndị kpọrọ afa. When did that afa?
Ndị be anyị daalụ nne nụ ihe a bụkwa Igbo Media anyị si wee na-ewetakwara unu nnukwu ozi a dị oke mkpa dịka anyị si kwuo unu nkwa and dịka anyị si na-agba mbọ enwere ike ị na-enye unu update bụ ihe gbasara maka ife na-eme na ana Igbo be anyị and nwere onwe nke a na-azọ. Ọ ya bụ nkwa ka anyị kwere unu and anyị ga na-emezu ya. Ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ iwe ọchịa ihe a kịta ị nụrụ n'elu akwụkwọ Biafran Prime Minister kwuru, gwa onwe gị eziokwu n'ụdị nke gị na nchịkọta mmụọ gị ka ghara iwelitela anyị n'ihe a, maka oke ihe ga na-esi na-emezi. O nwere ebe ekweta na ndị Igbo ya anọ, o nwere ebe anyị sịrị anyị nọrọ. Igbo abụlọ senate president, Igbo abụlọ vice president, nothing. And na ụmụ ihe ndị niile amegasịkwa anụ ụmụnne anyị esokwa na-agba owofa mgba maka owe ka ife ya je megidezie ajụrụzi asị ma ọ gịnị na-emezi ọ dị ka arụ achọziri ime anyị negodin ka obodo si dị. Ka e mere ji jide nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na mkpọrọ akwa maka ndị Igbo. Gịnị ka ihe ọjọọ mere? Maka ọ sị na n'Igbo ga-adị, maka ọ sị na anyị ga-adị, na anyị ga-adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. O nwere ihe ọzọ eji jide ya? Jụọ onwe gị ajụjụ a. Gịnị ka eji jide Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Ọkwa maka ọ sị na Igbo ya adị. Biko ọzọ dị ka iwe chetara ife a bụ Igbo midia anyị na-asụ n'onu be anyị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị na-asụ. So biko ọ bụ na ede anụ Igbo iwe ewe na gị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị ji akọwa ihe na-eme ebe a. Ka ego ọkwa na ya anyị na-ekwu bifọ unu ekwe n'iwe ka ife onye ndu melụ ọ sị na ya na-eme mgbomgbe ndị Igbo na-abịa ya n'alụ, ọ na-ewute ya. Simon Ekpa penie anyị agbaba ya mgba ka e mere obedient movement. Akwụwụrụ okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru before ejide ya, they will never give you that president, that seat. Akwụdoro na ya na Peter Obi winere mana nyere ya. Gịnị ka ha si ya bụ mba Igbo mana na ife maka oke esi na-ekwuzi okwu ọka ife ga na-esi na-emezi. Ọ bụ na ịkpọrọ onwe gị mitin, chụkọ onwe gị ọnụ, jụọ onwe gị ajụ a ka ebe ịkwụ n'obodo a bụ Naijiria. Ajụ nchọkwa onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị n'elu akwụkwọ a, jụọ onwe ya na na-ejicha onwe gị ya bụ ife isaa ya. Ọgwụna ka m n'ọnụ. Ihe a bụ Igbo midia. Daalụ n'ụmụnne.